Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. Fallen leaves to keep your garden tidy. Proper maintenance ensures your garden remains attractive, functional, and inviting in every season. Woodworking is an ancient craft that has stood the test of time, embodying the beauty of nature through skillful craftsmanship. Inspired by the natural world, designers and artisans draw from the intricate patterns, textures, and forms found in trees, leaves, and landscapes. This approach celebrates the organic qualities of wood, emphasizing its unique grains and imperfections. The mastery of woodworking lies in transforming raw timber into functional art that resonates with the natural environment. By embracing nature-inspired concepts, artisans create pieces that evoke warmth, authenticity, and timeless elegance. This synergy between nature and craftsmanship results in furniture, decor, and sculptures that feel alive and connected to the earth. Whether it's a sleek modern piece or a rustic traditional design, the natural inspiration remains central to the craft's essence. The artistry involves understanding wood's characteristics and working with its inherent qualities to enhance its beauty. With patience and precision, woodworkers craft masterpieces that reflect the serenity and complexity of the natural world. One of the fundamental principles of naturally inspired woodcraft is honoring the wood's grain and texture. Skilled artisans meticulously select timber that showcases distinctive patterns, knots, and color variations. These elements add character and depth to each piece, making every creation unique. The mastery involves techniques that highlight these natural features rather than conceal them. For example, carving or sanding methods are employed to accentuate the flowing lines of the wood's grain. This approach respects the material's origin, allowing its natural beauty to shine through. Such attention to detail requires an intimate understanding of different wood types, their growth patterns, and how they respond to various finishing techniques. The result is a harmonious blend of craftsmanship and nature's artistry, creating furniture and decor that feel authentic and vibrant. Emphasizing natural textures also fosters a sense of sustainability, encouraging the use of ethically sourced, responsibly harvested wood. Incorporating organic shapes and fluid forms is a hallmark of natural woodcraft design. Instead of rigid, geometric lines, artisans craft pieces that mimic the curves and contours found in nature. Think of the gentle bend of a branch or the undulating flow of riverbanks. This design philosophy seeks to bring the outdoors inside, creating a seamless connection between the environment and living spaces. Mastering this requires not only technical skill but also a keen eye for observation and inspiration from the natural world. Techniques such as steam bending and freehand carving allow artisans to shape wood into elegant, organic forms. These creations often evoke feelings of calm and harmony, reflecting nature's effortless beauty. Whether it's a sculptural chair or a decorative bowl, each piece embodies an appreciation for the natural flow of life. This approach elevates woodworking from mere function to an art form that celebrates the organic rhythms of the earth. Color is another vital element in naturally inspired woodcraft. Artisans carefully select woods with rich, warm hues, like cherry, walnut, or oak, to create visually appealing pieces. Sometimes, they enhance these natural tones with stains or oils to deepen the color and bring out the grain's richness. The mastery lies in balancing enhancement with preservation, ensuring that the natural beauty remains unaltered and authentic. This attention to color elevates the aesthetic appeal and creates a sense of warmth and comfort. Additionally, incorporating contrasting woods or integrating inlays inspired by natural motifs adds complexity and depth. These subtle details reflect the craftsmanship's dedication to celebrating nature's palette. The result is a collection of pieces that exude elegance and earthy charm, perfectly suited for homes aiming for a rustic or contemporary aesthetic. Sustainability is intrinsic to naturally inspired woodworking. Artisans often prioritize eco-friendly practices, sourcing wood from responsibly managed forests or reclaimed materials. This commitment to environmental stewardship aligns with the organic themes, reinforcing the connection to nature. The mastery involves knowing how to work with sustainable materials efficiently, minimizing waste, and employing eco-conscious finishes. Such practices ensure that the beauty of natural wood can be enjoyed for generations without harming the environment. Moreover, sustainable woodworking fosters a sense of purpose and ethical responsibility, resonating with consumers who value authenticity and conservation. This approach demonstrates that truly inspired design does not compromise the planet's health, but instead celebrates and preserves its natural resources. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.